Hello viewers, today in this video I will make a short comparison video between Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus and OnePlus Pad Lite. Many people have requested me to make this video, so I am here with this video. Both Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus and OnePlus Pad Lite comes in similar price point, so the comparison is justifiable. If I look closely at the display, I can see that the display of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better than OnePlus Pad Lite. Pad Lite's display seem to be little bit contrasty, which I don't like. Both the displays are non-HDR displays, but you can see that the display quality seems to be better on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. In camera, the display of OnePlus Pad Lite seems to be better, but I can see that the display on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is little bit on the higher side. Tab A9 Plus can play up to 1080p 60 fps, whereas OnePlus Pad Lite can play up to 2K, but I played 2K videos on OnePlus Pad Lite and it stutters. So both the displays can play 1080p 60 fps with ease. The brightness level seems to be on the same level, but I think Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has a better smoothness than OnePlus Pad Lite. However, you may not feel this if you are using only one tablet. In order to know the difference, you have to use it side by side with any other tablet, only then you can understand the quality of the display. In order to test the color shift, I tilted my camera and I saw that from 40 to 50% angle, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus display looks better, and the color shifting is very minimum in Tab A9 Plus. On the other hand, the color shift on OnePlus Pad Lite seems to be more, so the display of OnePlus Pad Lite can be best viewed when you watch anything straight. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus comes with quad speakers, as you can see here, two sides on both sides. Also, you can connect your tablet with magnetic keyboard. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad Lite also comes with quad speakers, so you can expect stereo surround sound from both the devices. But there is no magnetic connector on OnePlus Pad Lite. After that, I tested the sound quality on both Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus and OnePlus Pad Lite. Both the devices produce excellent sound quality, but if you ask me the loudness, I think OnePlus Pad Lite is louder and the bass level is better on OnePlus Pad Lite. So finally, in the conclusion, I think OnePlus Pad Lite is a very good tablet, but when it comes to display quality, I think Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better, and the sound quality is better on OnePlus Pad Lite. There are many other factors which you consider before buying any tablet. I am making a detailed video about these two tablets, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.